I'm Vikas driving instructor from Vikas Driving School. Today I have my dear friend Gaurav with me. He just passed his driving test in a first attempt from the Kulru. So he going to share his experience, how he passed the driving test and what problem he was facing in the driving test. So my dear friend Gaurav, can you tell about little bit about your experience about driving test?
Yeah, bro. I was driving on overseas license, so like I was not following much rules. I didn't knew that like I have to stop for too long at the stop sign, and head check I was totally not aware of at all. And then I contact Vikas, and he helped me a lot. I came in probably like 30-minute session with you.
Yeah, we took
in 30 minutes
30-40 minutes
yeah, he
session.
explained me everything within 30 minutes. And when we did the test, he even helped me during the test. He was right here on the front seat, and then he helped me through the whole way, and I got the license within first attempt.
Yeah, that's a very good point you told. Like a stop sign, always stop. Many students fail just because of the stop sign. And you said about the head checks. Many students, they don't do head checks. So head check and stop sign, it's very important to do in your driving test. And he was saying I help him during the driving test also. Like I repeat for him like instruction, turn left. In if you going with your instructor, you can say to your instructor, he can repeat and point instruction for you, so you will feel bit more easier. So during the lesson and test, you feel how you feel in like this is very short time, and India you was driving India you was driving for a long time, I think. And here you was driving in your car also.
I was.
Okay, just you took a half an hour, and after half an hour you pass your driving test. So do you want to say something else to my students, some tips to, because many students they don't take it seriously. Like you was not taking seriously.
No,
you
I was not
saying
serious at all. Like,
so you were saying I don't slow down for anything. In a roundabout I don't stop. In the lesson also you was doing, you was not give way. Hardly I tell you stop. Because it's not a normal driving, it's a driving test. Driving test, they're going to check each and every point,
even the speed and everything. And the one thing I learned today is like you gotta be patient when you come to do the test. You gotta be like super slow in your mind and relax. Like don't rush for anything. If you slow, they forgive you. Like they wouldn't do anything. Like they still pass you.
Not too slow also.
Not too slow also. But then if you trying to rush and stuff, then there's no way you got obviously gonna fail for that for sure.
Yeah, that's very good tips. So always don't rush, my dear friends, whenever you're driving in your driving test. So many congratulations, my dear friend Gaurav.
Bro. Thank you so much for help. Really appreciate it.
I really happy I help you to pass your driving test. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you with next video.
Have a good day, guys.